And that's the forecast.
Well, now, at very nearly 3:25, that's the end of Christmas night here on BBC One. We're well and truly into Boxing Day now. We'll be back on air at 6 with more festive fun. And, of course, there's always BBC Radios 1, 2 and 3 for music through the night, along with World Service on Radio 4 and News and Sport on Radio 5 Live. Hope you've enjoyed our Christmas Day lineup here on BBC One. As I said, there's plenty more to come. But for now, from tonight's team, that's Graham Wright, Alan Price, Kelly Russell and me, Peter Offer. A very good night to you.